Hi, my name is Ryan Gray and welcome to GreyTrading Economics and Finance. In this video we're going to be backtesting Aussie dollar, AUDUSD, and we're going to begin by just adding in the green bars which will signal the impulses. So each blue impulse, there'll be a green bar on the first one of those in the series, and then they won't be on the subsequent ones. After we've done that, we'll add in the red bars, which is where we're going to sell. The bar forms clearly at the start of the day. So that makes it easy for trading alongside a job. And the indicators should appear around 3 to 4 hours before the end of the day. So that gives you a bit of leeway on not having to stay up too late for the indicator to function alongside your job, or you can just do it before you go to sleep. So it's very easy to do, and it doesn't take long at all to check. It's literally going to take you about 20 seconds to check all 8 pairs. So that doesn't take long at all. It's simply just flick through TradingView. You could even do it at work the next day or in the morning if you'd missed it. So it'd be really quick. So the strategy is based on the 9-state derivative model. That's the top graph. And then we applied a stochastic oscillator to the 9-state derivative model to work out some extra values. And then on the bottom one, we have a bit of fancy maths, which then determines on the stochastic oscillator when to buy and sell. And then that just codes it as a simple impulse. It's not quite as simple as above or below. It's not that simple. It uses the distance. So sometimes if it's not above or below, it works out if they're quite close together, if it's in a certain range. And then based on that, it uses a few extra things, highs and lows, previous days, and current close the previous day to work out whether to buy or sell. But it is a binary indicator, so that means it gives a signal buy or sell. So that's a bit about the indicator and how it works. Obviously the strategy is really robust. We're already backtested in this series the whole year. On average, I'd say it gives about 25-27% per year per currency. So if you're trading all 8 currencies, which we are, that's going to give you probably 2 doubles on your account, maybe a bit more. It seems to be giving about 2.5 doubles per year. That's using 1% risk. If you want to use 2% risk, which is what we do, you're going to make a lot of money, like a lot, maybe 10 grand into about 250 grand in 1 year. And then obviously just do it for 2 years, you're going to get well over $1 million. So you're not going to find even crypto assets that can give you that routinely. It's like being in the Bitcoin head. Okay, so backtested, put the basic structures in there. We're now going to just put some percentages to calculate everything. And then we'll add those to Google spreadsheets. There's quite a bit of trading in that period. This is the last video in the series. We've done all 8 then. If you're interested in getting the indicator and learning more about how the system works, how the 9-state derivative model works, it's a small fee. It's not too expensive. We've also got an NFT called Smart Ape Trader Club. So if you buy one of the NFTs, you also get all access to our trading scripts. And the NFTs are they're quite cheap. And you also get to keep the NFT, and the NFT will you can sell the NFT on, obviously, but obviously then you don't have access to the trading club. So it's something that we've been working on for quite a long time. It's called Smart Ape Trader Club, and it's like having access to all of our scripts, all of our quant zone. It's like an access pass to being in the club, and you get updates to everything. And that is usually we charge, I think it's on the website, and it's about half price of what it costs to buy the indicator, to get a subscription to the lifetime access to the indicator. So it is cheaper to become an NFT holder of the strategy. So that's something that if you're interested in becoming a member of GreyTrading, that's a different way to become a member. And obviously you can resell the NFT on after you've used, or maybe if you no longer want to be a member, you can resell your NFT on. But hopefully you'll want to stay in the club and you'll get access to all the updates as well. Few losses there, nothing too bad. So the Smart Ape Trader Club, that's something which should be finished probably within the next few weeks. Most of the work's been done on it. It's just putting the final touches on everything and getting more promotion out. Obviously, if the Smart Ape Trader Club token takes off, then it might actually be quite a good asset to just keep hold of. Similar to the Bored Ape Yacht Club, similar kind of cartoon, but different because it gives you access to an actual trading club. So I'll probably do a separate video on that, but that's just a little teaser as to what else we've been up to at GreyTrading. So again, just to recap, the Smart Ape Trader Club will be at about half price, the cost of how much it costs to join otherwise. So just in case you missed that. But if you just want to pay by PayPal, then it's just done through the website. Okay, so we're going to put these in now on the chart. I'm just going to go 6 hour chart to get the percentages a bit more clearly. And then I'm going to add it to Google Spreadsheets. So it looked quite good. See how it does. I think it, on one of my backtests, I think it did over 30%, so we'll have a look. Okay, so this is the last backtesting video of this series. So we've got out of the blocks, so 10% already. That's first 3 months. Big trade there, 5.62. So we're already at 20% almost. Again, most Forex strategies don't deliver gains across all assets. This one does. So that's one very unique thing about our strategy. Easy to do and delivers gains. The gains that you're talking aren't even small gains. It's not like we're making 10% per currency, we're making about 25. So we are making heads and shoulders above what other people can do. So if you're thinking this strategy isn't going to be leading enough because it's just using daily data, that's not true at all. The strategy is heads and shoulders above what other people can do. So I think that is something that we've achieved with this strategy in designing it, that it's outstanding and it does a lot better than what other people can do in the Forex industry. And just because you get a loss using this strategy in the backtest and the daily data, that doesn't mean to say we can't use an algorithm on top to enhance our trading. So we could trade these with a daily filter, which means only long or only short in these directions, which is a different approach, but that's something that we cover on our website if you want to enhance your trading even further. So it's really good, this one. Okay, so this is going to conclude the series on these. I'll probably do the same again next year once 2023 is over. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that concludes the trading analysis. The next thing that we're going to be doing is looking at this on portfolios. So we're going to be looking at how you can do risk management, how much you can make with 1% risk, 2% risk, 2.5% risk, possibly even 3% risk in 1 year. You're going to make a lot of money using 3% risk, but there are more risks with that. Let's see what that error is. It says there's an error, but come on. Okay, so let's have a quick peep. There will be a separate video covering this, but you can see a very nice smooth equity curve there. On the results, quick flick, we've got 10 grand into 66 grand, and we've got 10 grand into 377 grand. That's using 2% risk. But anyway, that concludes this video. We're going to be going over the results in the next video.